ChatGPT has been a buzz term in the world of artificial intelligence and natural language processing and has taken the world by storm. ChatGPT was launched on November 30th, and by December 5th, less than a week later, it had already crossed 1 million users. This is the fastest ever by any platform out there. Hi there, today we are going to talk about ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that generates highly realistic human-like responses to a wide range of questions. Well, ChatGPT has a wide range of applications from content writing, blog writing, essay writing, research reports, YouTube script writing, and even it can write a code for you. So the first thing is to go to Google and type in ChatGPT, alright, and then click on the first link that pop-ups. And you just have to sign up with email and verify your phone number. Once you are logged in, it shows you the examples, capabilities, and limitations it has. Alright, I asked ChatGPT to prepare a travel itinerary for my trip to New York City. Alright, it failed to prepare a travel itinerary for me, but let's try some more questions and see if we can get some good stuff from it. I asked this tool simply create a gym routine for a beginner, and it returned with something like this: warm up for 5 to 10 minutes, strength training, cardio, and cool down. And this sounds like a decent gym trainer for me as a beginner. So that's a decent answer, and let's give another question a try. How to get SEO clients? Let's see if it can help us with this. SEO clients including networking, attend industry events and conferences, marketing, use a variety of marketing tactics such as creating a website, writing a blog, and using social media, referral, ask your existing clients, and cold outreach, reach out to potential clients directly by email. So this is again a great answer by this tool. So let's try a few more questions. Alright, find YouTube ideas for an SEO channel. Let's see if it can help us with this one. Top 10 SEO tips for beginners, how to conduct keyword research, the importance of mobile-friendly websites, how to track and measure your SEO success, common SEO mistakes to avoid, how to optimize your website for... Well, that's really amazing answer. I can obviously create videos on these topics, and I'm sure that I don't have a writer block anymore. And this guy attempted his AWS exam with ChatGPT, and it actually helped him pass the exam. So give it a try. It's 100% free at the moment, and it's worth it. See you next time. Bye.